Looking at 4b, the pH chart will tell you, if you know how to read it, 0.1 molar OH minus has a pH of 13, pH 13. Whereas 1 molar hydroxide ion, a solution that has this, will have a pH of 14. And here you should be able to see this 0.225 molar hydroxide is between these two values. Specifically, you may recall a factor of 2 is 0.3 log units. So this means that 0.225 molar will have a pH of 13.3. If you understood that it's between pH 13 and 14, this last part is kind of extra for experts. The last question. The first question is, how can it be acidic when we added a strong base? And what you should realize there is the populations matter. Populations matter. How many of those strong base molecules were added? And here you should see, if we're only halfway done, half finished, then there are still many of these weak acid molecules still in the solution, whereas the strong bases, the OH minus grabs the proton and turns into H2O. So the strong bases are tamed. They don't remain strong bases. The weak acids, on the other hand, we have a lot of them left over. The second question says use a Ka expression. So this is nice mathematics. It's kind of surprising, the answer. But I'll start by writing a Ka expression. H plus. This is acetic acid, so the conjugate base goes here. This is the associated molecules on the bottom of the fraction, and you see the value is given as 1.8 times 10 to the minus 5. So that describes the ratio here. At equilibrium, which is true anywhere during the titration, an equilibrium is established. So now, what do we mean when half finished? Half finished. That means half of the original CH3 COOH molecules, COOH, have become the conjugate base. Half. So you should realize at that point the number of these is equal to the number of these. Half are here and half are here! Exclamation point. If you put numbers into this expression saying half are here and half are here, you should be able to prove that the pH must be 4.7. So try that. If it's 50-50, these will cancel each other out, leaving you simply with H plus equals this value, pH equals that value.